All right, everybody, y'all see what it is. It's the Beat Up Lounge. We gonna go ahead and jump into this pro wrestling crate that I just can't wait to open. Um, I know we usually do this on stream, but we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it. This is, I believe, the tag team crate. I believe that's what this one. I can't remember all the tag teams that are in this one, but I do know that is some really good ones. I'm, I'm pretty confident that this is the tag team crew. I do know we've already resubmitted for next month, and we are guaranteed our autograph is going to be King Kong Bundy. Guaranteed. That is the autograph, or at least one of them, because these new crates, some of them come with like two autographs, some of them come with one, but most of them come with two. Since they've gone to the bi-monthly, where it's every 2 months. But yeah, let's just. What the fuck is my camera doing? Hold on. Doing camera. What the plank? Right there, bro. How hard is that? There we go. Okay. So let's do this. It's just fall again. And this is why I usually do it streaming. I can fix this shit while I'm streaming. Like I don't have any editing software or anything, so just going with it. Okay, yeah, it's parodies and stuff. King Kong Bundy's guaranteed to be the autograph. Um, getting Joe Hendry. Something to do with Joe Hendry. The Grinch, Marty McFly, Darth Vader, MJF, and others. So yeah. Where's my camera? Okay, so this is what we're getting this time. Looking away. Hopefully it focuses. Okay. So that's what we're getting this time. Oh, it's the mask and paint. It's not the tag team. Okay. Wait. Isn't that September? Yeah, that's September. Yeah, so it's massive paint. It's not the tag team. What am I thinking? Okay. Anyway, shirt number one. What do you got? Oh, this is a fantastic Ultimate Warrior shirt. Like, bro, that's so 80s. So 80s. Why is Kenji's shirt way over there? What's going on? No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, so you guys know the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, right? So there's a on the Indies, there's a group that poses as them as wrestlers. So you have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Wrestler. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh my god. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. It's so good. Looks like a Swamp Thing sticker. I'm I'm gonna have to look at my card for that. I don't know who that's supposed to be. I'm thinking Swamp Thing. It looks like Swamp Thing. Bro. Oh, this is actually pretty sick. A Brawler Balls of the Hardys, Matt and Jeff Hardy. So I'm pretty sure this side is supposed to be matte with the delete, and then this side is supposed to be Jeff because I can see like the face paint and stuff on this side. I'm pretty sure this side is supposed to be Jeff, and then Matt on that side. Bro, that's not. I'm not gonna lie. First time I've got one of them. Oh, Mustafa Ali. Oh, and the Chase. Yeah, that's the Chase version. Mustafa Ali Chase Micro Brawler. That's pretty sick. Oh, I love the red and black on that outfit. I love it. And then Max Moon from the 90s. I can't even remember who posed it then. But the mask was like a jock strap. The fucking 90s, bro. The fucking 90s. The revolting blob as my pin? Like, that might not be going on my backpack. Not gonna lie. That might just go right back in here. Is this a La Parka mask? That looks like La Parka. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to check the card on this one. Because that looks like a La Parka mask. Where are my autographs? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Gangrel, bro. Gangrel. Oh, the OG of the brood. The man. Oh, I fucking love Gangrel. I think he's still behind the scenes in WWE currently. I think. I could be wrong. He could be behind the scenes in AEW or a different promotion altogether, like CMLL or something. But I want to say he's still in the background in WWE. Yeah. Okay. We got to look at this. Okay. Yeah, we got the Ultimate Warrior shirt. We got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Wrestlers, Max Moon, the Micro Brawler, Mustafa Ali Micro Brawler, the Revolting Blob. I forget these can be chased too. I have so many of those on my backpack right now. The Gangrel autograph, the Hardy's Brawler Brawl. Oh, it's Danhausen. That's who that is. It's his lucha mask. Danhausen. Wait. This is Road Warrior Animal? Oh, I see it now. I actually see it now. Okay. Yeah, I can see the Tri-Hawk and his the animal paint he always had right there on the top of his forehead. I actually can see it. But it's like Halloween style kind of, you know? That's that's the main thing that was throwing me. It's like the Halloween style. Like if it was just fucking Road Warrior Animal, I didn't know that right off the bat. But since it's like the Halloween or the Blob style or Garbage Pail Kids style, then it kind of threw me. But yeah, I can actually see it now. That's pretty sick. And he almost has like, because everybody compared him to like football players, and he's almost got like the football stitches on the side, like right there. Football stitches, bro. Like you literally just have to look at it, and you have to know what you're looking at in order to see Road Warrior Animal in that. Do I have a Max Moon? No, I don't. I know I don't have a Mustafa Ali, and definitely not the Chase version. One of the few chases I know for a fact I have is Scott Hall, because I accidentally bought two of them, two of the NWO packs. But yeah, all right. So let's pull out Max Moon, put him with my other microphone. Then Mustafa Ali Chase, right there too. Open, bro. Open. Open. I wonder what the non-chase one color is. Because I'm pretty sure it's just a color change. Because I know on Scott Hall, one of them's dark denim and one of them's light denim, and that's the difference. Rail's autograph over there with all the other autographs. All these masks in here. Actually, you know what? I kind of want to throw on the Danhausen mask. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to throw this on. Hold on. Let me open it. Y'all know me. I'm up for anything. Let's do this. Hold up. Gotta take that off. Probably gonna have to take my hat off. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I can definitely see the Danhausen now. Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely see Danhausen now. Like before, when I first saw it, I thought it was a Parka because of the black and white. But yeah, I can definitely see Danhausen now. Yeah, I should definitely wear contacts whenever I wear this. But bro, we have a Lucha mask now. Like, bro, for those of y'all that don't know, one of the crates, uh, probably probably a year ago by now, um, the pillowcase was the Lucha Bros. I still sleep with that, bro. That is still on one of my pillows, and probably won't change. That's actually like my newest pillow. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, definitely definitely get some contacts and work with that. Such a good mask. It's a brilliant mask, actually. Hold up. We're gonna find the spot. Right there in front of the shop. There we go. All right. Sweet. You guys have a good one. It's your boy B Dub. We have opened the the September now bi-monthly box of Pro Wrestling Crates. It was a great grab. Next month, there's only like 100 and something left. If you guys want to jump in and get on it, they're guaranteed a King Kong Bundy autograph. That is the at least, if not one, that's one of the two that you're getting next month. And since it's a parody crate, probably the only autograph you're getting. But it's King Kong Bundy. And he died before he could ship them back to PWC. So yeah, you're guaranteed a King Kong Bundy autograph next month or in November. But you got to jump on it now because there's less than 100 crates left. But you guys have a good one. It's your boy B Dub. We out. Peace.